This is my mini project, a Spotify clone built using React.js. In this demonstration, I will show you how the app works and the features it includes. When you open the app, you first land on the login page. If the username or password is incorrect, an error message is shown. If the credentials are correct, the user is logged in and redirected to the home page. If an unauthenticated user tries to access other routes like home, playlists, categories, or albums, they are automatically taken back to the login page. Once logged in, the home page shows three sections: featured playlists under editor's pick, categories under genres and moods, and albums under new releases. While the data is loading, loaders are displayed in each section. Each section has a horizontal scrolling list of cards with images and titles. Clicking on a playlist from editor's pick opens a page with the playlist image, title, and list of songs. Each song shows the name, artist, and duration. You can click on any song to play it using the audio player fixed at the bottom. Similarly, clicking a category under genres and moods takes you to a page with that category's image, name, and list of playlists. Clicking any playlist from there opens the playlist details page where you can play songs as well. The new releases section works the same way. Clicking an album opens the album details page showing its songs. You can click on any song to play it using the bottom audio player. The audio player includes play, pause controls, volume, a progress bar, and the song's thumbnail. On the left side of the screen, there's a sidebar with the app logo, app title, Spotify Remix, and a logout button. Clicking the logo takes you to the home page, and clicking logout removes the login token and sends you back to the login page. If a user enters a wrong URL, they are shown a not found screen with a friendly message. The entire app is fully responsive. On mobile, cards scroll smoothly and the audio player stays accessible. On tablets and desktops, the layout adjusts nicely with clean spacing and readable content. The app works well on all screen sizes and offers a real music streaming experience with simple and clean UI. Now I'll show you the folder structure and how I organize the code for this project. At the top level, the main file is app.js, where all the routes are defined. I used React Router DOM version 5 to handle routing. I created a custom protected route component to protect pages like home, playlist, category, and album. If the user is not logged in, they are sent back to the login page. If they are logged in, they can visit all the pages. Inside the components folder, I've organized the app by different route-based components and some reusable components. The login form component handles the login page. It takes the username and password, sends a request to the API, and if it gets a valid token, it saves it in cookies and sends the user to the home page. The home component is a class component. It makes 3 API requests, that one for featured playlists, one for categories, and one for new releases. While data is loading, it shows a spinner. Once the data is received, it shows cards for each section. Clicking on any card opens the related details page. Playlist details, category playlists, and album details are also class components. They all use the route ID to fetch details from the API and show the songs with their name, artist, and time. When the user clicks on a song, it is sent to the audio player and starts playing. The audio player is shown at the bottom of the app. It works for all routes and shows the current song playing. Play, pause buttons, a progress bar, and volume control.
It uses the HTML tag to play the preview. I've also added a not found component to handle wrong URLs. The app is styled using CSS with Flexbox and media queries. It works well on phones, tablets, and desktops. The sidebar and audio player adjust based on screen size. For third-party libraries, I used React Router DOM for navigation, JS cookie to store, and check the login token. Overall, the project uses proper root structure, protected pages, audio playback, and reusable components, all built using React.